best one yet. Stay fresh, stay clean, every single day. Wash, brush, clip, keep the germs away. Healthy habits, nice and bright. Take care of yourself, you'll feel just right. Dough brush, brush, smooth and straight. Tangle-free and feeling great. Comb it nicely, style with care. Shiny hair is everywhere. Dough blash, splash, water's cool. Wash your face, it's the golden rule. Gentle circles, nice and slow. Now your skin is fresh, let's glow. You'll rub, rub, scrub the dub so. Then water, rinse that grub. 20 seconds, that's the way. Clean hands keep germs away. Drink, sip, sip, drink it up. Water fills my little cup. Healthy bodies need it too. Drink your water. 1, 2. Clip, clip, nice and neat. Shorter nails are clean and sweet. No more dirt, no more grime. Clip your nails, it's hygiene time. You'll splash, splash, water flow. Scrub your arms and clean your toes. Soap your belly, wash your hair. Rinse it off, fresh and fair. Stay fresh, stay clean, every single day. Wash, brush, clip, keep the germs away. Healthy habits, nice and bright. Take care of yourself, you'll feel just right.
Great job, friends! Let's go over what we learned. Brush your teeth, morning and night. Brush your hair, keep it smooth. Wash your face, stay fresh. Wash your hands, scrub away germs. Drink water, stay strong. Clip your nails, keep them clean. Take a shower, feel fresh every day. Now you're a hygiene superstar. Taking care of yourself helps you feel amazing, look great, and stay strong. See you next time for another fun learning adventure.
Hello friends, are you ready to have fun and learn how to greet others politely? Today we're going to sing about friendly words like good morning, please, thank you and more. Saying kind words makes people happy and helps us make friends. So let's sing, dance and practice good manners together.
When the sun is shining bright, we say good morning, nice and light. Stretch up high, start your day. Smile and wave and say hooray. Hello, goodbye, and thank you too. Polite words help me and you. Good morning, good night, and see you soon. Let's be kind the whole day through.
When the sun begins to fall, we say good evening to one and all. When the stars shine big and bright, we say good night and sleep so tight.
If I need a little space, I say excuse me, nice and safe. When I need something today, I say please, the kindest way. When a friend is kind to me, I say thank you happily. If I need to go away, I say see you later and off I play. Hello, goodbye, and thank you too. Polite words help me and you. Good morning, good night, and see you soon. Let's be kind the whole day through.
Wow, that was so much fun. Now let's remember the polite words we learned today. Good morning, say it when the day begins. Good evening, when the sun goes down. Good night, before bedtime for sweet dreams. Hello and goodbye, greet friends when you meet and leave. Please and thank you, magic words that show kindness. Excuse me, when you need to pass or ask a question. See you later, when you'll meet again soon. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to greet people with kindness and respect. Keep practicing these polite words every day, and you'll make lots of happy friends. See you next time for another fun learning adventure. Bye for now.